Hello, my name is Miriam Matthew. I am in Year 13 currently. I teach Year 8 Maths for Geordie Learning. I am going to talk to you about resources for GCSE success. One of the first things is exam boards. There are three main types of exam boards: AQA, OCR and EdXL. They all make and mark exams for all the subjects for GCSE and A levels. The only difference is how they offer their exam styles. So for AQA, it offers a traditional exam style, whereas EdXL offers a more inclusion of practical and creative elements in many subjects. If you wish to know more about your child's specific exam boards, please speak to your teachers, as they would have a wider knowledge of which exam board they are doing. Some of the recommended GCSE resources are CGP guides, Cognito, free science lessons, Quizlet, Seneca, past papers and practice questions. Past papers and practice questions are vital in getting your timings correct, your skill set correct for that exam conditions. They are all available online, or ask your child's teachers, as they can give you the specific exam board question papers that they need. Of course, the curriculum for all the exam boards are the same, but the exam style would be different. There are tutoring options available as well, such as Geordie Learning, and we offer many guidance supports, such as in Year 9, where you are choosing your options for GCSE. We are more than happy to help you guide to your future path with your interests. Of course, this cannot take place without parent support. Creating a supportive learning environment at home, helping with organisation and time management, encouraging regular study habits, communication with teachers are all vital to helping your child reach their full potential. Especially communicating with your teachers to know what your child's strengths and weaknesses are will play a really important part, as you could, as a parent, can help your child at home, or ask your child how you can help them in creating that supportive environment at home. This ties in with mental well-being, as managing exam stress and anxiety are so important. Breaks and extracurricular activities are needed when studying, when going through such important years as GCSE, as it's vital that you don't burn out, your child doesn't burn out, and that they can do their full potential in their exams. I hope this has helped you in many ways and has given you a insight into how GCSE works, or how resources for GCSE success works. Thank you so much and good luck.